Right, okay, so here's a little tutorial. So I've heard about the tape/paper method online, but all the methods suggest for different controller models. So I'm going to try my best to show it here on camera. So this is how it looks in my version, which is the CECHZC2E, or we'll just call it the ZC2E for short. And the ZC2Es didn't have enough documentation online, so this bit here has the foam piece. It's on a different spot on different model boards, but what I have learnt now is to put paper in between here, which is a non-destructive method, just to line it up to fit in here, and it helps stop any interference if your controller is behaving haywire or showing motherboard faults. This will actually fix it 9 times out of 10. Hope this helps somebody.